Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before I go into today's video, let me say a very big thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate your support. I also appreciate my returning viewers, and if you are new here, please click the subscribe button down there and hit the notification bell so that you'll be informed whenever I upload new videos. Please like and share this video so as to encourage me and support my channel. Make you now support your boy Obiko. Now let's go into today's video, guys. An Oyo State High Court sitting in Ibadan today ordered the federal government of Nigeria to pay the sum of 20 billion naira to Chief Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Igboho, as damages for the invasion of his residence, which happened on the 1st of July 2021. The Oyo State High Court sitting in Ibadan also ruled on Friday that Chief Yomi Aliu, the counsel to Chief Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Igboho, be paid the sum of 2 million naira as cost for the thorough process in court. Chief Aliu had earlier asked the court to grant him 10 million naira. The court also dismissed an application filed by the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, challenging his jurisdiction to hear allegations against Nigerian government agencies. The court was expected to deliver judgment or ruling on the 500 billion naira fundamental human rights case instituted by the Yoruba nation activist Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho against the Nigerian government and Department of State Services. Because of this, he has been granted 20 billion naira rather than the 500 billion naira. Igboho, through his lawyer Yomi Aliu, filed a suit challenging the invasion of his house in Ibadan on July 1 by operatives of the DSS, also known as the State Security Service or Secret Police. The three respondents are Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami San, and the first respondent SSS as the second respondent, and Director of SSS in Oyo State as the third respondent. Counsel for the AGF Abubakar Malami had filed an application challenging the ability of a state high court to hear the activities of Nigerian government agencies, but citing several judgments by the Supreme and Appeal Courts in respect of the ability of the State High Court to hear such cases, Justice Ladino Akintola said the invasion of the house of the applicant violated fundamental human rights as stipulated in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. Akintola described DSS action as arbitrary aggression and prejudices against Igboho. As it stands now, maybe the DSS will challenge this ruling or not is not yet ascertained as at the time of filing this report. In another news, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has sued Kenya over his extradition to Nigeria. Special counsel to Kanu, Mr. Aloy Ejimako, who disclosed this, said Kanu's suit had been filed at the Kenyan High Court. According to him, the suit was filed on September 14 by Lushiri Associates, Kanu's legal team in Kenya. Mr. Ejimako argued that since Kanu is a British citizen and entered Kenya with his British passport, he ought not to have been brought to Nigeria for any reason without valid court orders for his extradition. In his petition presented by Lushiri and Company Associates, Kanu argued that his arrest in Kenya and subsequent extradition to Nigeria in June were unconstitutional. Those named as respondents are Kenya's Interior CS, Director of Immigration, Director of Criminal Investigations, OCPD Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, and the Attorney General. Nigerian officials on June 29 claimed Kanu was brought back to face trial after he jumped bail and went on the run in 2017. The news reaching us is that there are plans by the Southeast Caucus in the National Assembly to help secure the release of detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. To achieve this, the lawmakers have set up a committee to work out modalities of releasing Mr. Kanu from detention. This was made known in a communique issued at the end of a closed-door meeting of the caucus on Wednesday. The meeting took place at the residence of the former Deputy Senate President, Ike Ekweremadu, where the lawmakers made the decision to intervene in Mr. Kanu's case. Leader of the caucus, Mr. Ekweremadu, told journalists that they had resolved to set up a committee that will interface with the federal government and its relevant agencies to find a political solution in exchange for Mr. Kanu's freedom. Mr. Ekweremadu said, and I quote, "To this end, we resolved to set up a committee to constructively interface with relevant stakeholders, the federal government and its relevant agencies towards finding a political solution. We will keep Igbo abreast of developments in that regard." End of quote. Let us wait and see the result of their meeting. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Before I go, let me say a very big thank you to those that have subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate your support. If you like to watch more of such news updates, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed whenever I make another video. Thank you.